welcome back to another video of mine all the way from Sula Vineyards. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit on subscribe button, and if you're already my subscriber, I thank you from bottom of my heart for showing your love and support. As you have seen in the previous video, I was traveling to Sula Vineyards. I had a staycation for one day at Sula Vineyard. If you haven't checked out my last video, I will link it here. Do check that out also. In that video, it's about all a room tour, Sula Vineyards property, and a sunset, a beautiful sunset is being watched through Sula Vineyards, and how I'm spending my evening. Do check that out also. You will love that video also. After watching a beautiful sunset, now I'm freshened up and it's like around 7 o'clock. I will be going for a musical night which is held every day at Sula Vineyards. So it will be an evening to be enjoyed near swimming pool and just listening to some good music. And we will be enjoying some barbecue food. Since I am vegetarian, I will not be eating non-vegetarian food, and I don't drink alcohol also, so wine is no for me. But obviously I can enjoy some good snacks, whether it's vegetarian only, that will be fine for me. So let's go and enjoy some musical night, and I will be taking you around Sula Vineyards also in night, how it looks. So what we are waiting for, let's get started with today's video. I have ordered for paneer tikka. Let's enjoy paneer tikka and evening.
I've been looking out for somebody just like you, but then you walk on by and I knew what I had to do. The way you're moving, the way you're shining, everybody's watching you. I wanna make you mine. The way you're looking, the way you're smiling, it's like you put a spell on me.
Here is something special for sweet tooth and for the night craving, that is brownie with walnuts. So instead of having dinner, I'm going for just dessert because I just had snacks at swimming pool, so I just wanted to indulge in some sweet things. So here it is.
Always on my mind, on my mind.
Isn't this brownie tasty? I will be just indulging in this tasty brownie. It's time to say good night to all of you, and I will be seeing you in the morning. Bye bye. Good morning guys, and I have woken up really early today to get a glimpse of sunrise. Sunrise हो रहा है और पूरी layers आ रही है निकल के sunrise की, and I have just come across like पूरा cross करके ये vineyard and to a gazebo जहाँ से I think best sunrise दिखता होगा, even sunset. फाइनली आउट. अब आपको शेड्स ऑफ व्यूज़ भी नहीं दिख रहे होंगे सन के. सो आई एम डन विथ टुडेज सनराइज़ एंड इट वाज अ वेरी डिफरेंट एक्सपीरियंस. यहाँ पर इतनी शांति कि आपको और कोई आवाज़ सुनाई नहीं देती. सिर्फ सुबह सुबह आपको बर्ड्स की आवाज़ आ रही है या फिर डॉग बार्किंग की, बस यही आवाज़ आ रही है. आई वुड डेफिनेटली रिकमेंड कि कहीं भी किसी भी वाइनयार्ड में जाओ, जस्ट गो फॉर अ वॉक, गेट अप लिटिल अर्ली फॉर वन डे एंड जस्ट फील द नेचर, क्योंकि इट हैज़ ऑल टुगेदर वेरी डिफरेंट वाइब्स और बहुत सुकून मिलता है.
I've been looking out for somebody just like you, but then you walk on by and I knew what I had to do.
I hope you would have loved today's sunrise. It was one of the best sunrise I have ever seen, I tell you. So really a good morning for me.
The way you're moving, the way you're shining, everybody's watching you. I wanna make you mine. The way you're looking, the way you smile, it's like you put a spell on me. You're always on my mind, on my mind.
I really love the architect of Sula Vineyards. It is like you see this type of buildings and house in Goa. So I have a feel कि मैं गोवा पहुंच गई हूँ. Just I'm missing the beach. That's all. But yes, architect and designing of building is really amazing. Really loving them. If you're a person who loves to have swim, so they have a facility of swimming pool also where you can enjoy swimming. But आप अगर मेरी तरह हो swimming आती है but due to some conditions you are not able to do the swimming, then they do have a very amazing option, that is jacuzzi, which is exactly behind me. It's not open yet because it's morning time and I'm shooting at morning, so it's open at 8 o'clock, so you can enjoy jacuzzi. What all you need in life, a swimming pool, a jacuzzi, just to enjoy your staycation, that's all. So let's start this beautiful morning with this beautiful view and cup of tea. I'm freshened up and showered, so it's time to grab some breakfast. Really hungry, so let's go and have breakfast, and I will be taking you through the breakfast menu also. Misal pav, paneer paratha, idli and waffle, which I got it like after a very long time, and cappuccino.
A few moments later.
So after having breakfast, I spent some leisure time at swimming pool and my family in jacuzzi. It's time to go for tour and wine tasting. कल नहीं किया tour and wine tasting because yesterday was Sunday and it was like really crowded. Afternoon it's too sunny, so we were not very pleased to go out in sunny. So decided before checking out we will go for the wine tour and tasting. Tell you how much the tour and wine tasting cost. If you just want a tour, then it's cost you 200 rupees per individual, but if you wanted to go for wine tasting as well, so you need to pay 600 rupees per adult. And if you want a personal tour ki sirf aap hi ko dikhaya jaye, not a group guided tour, then it's cost you 1500 per tour. So it's up to you which you wanted to take. And if you're staying here or you are in-house guest, then definitely it's complimentary for you. So for us it's complimentary, but you need to book your slot in advance because it's mostly crowded, especially on weekends. So sure you are booking your slot before going for the tour. So our slot is at 11:30. Tour starts at 11:30 and last tour ends at 6:30 p.m. So every hour they have a new batch. So accordingly you can see which batch you wanted to go. So since we have to check out at 12, so we decided to go for the first batch. So let's go there.
I've been looking out for somebody just like you, but then you walk on by, and I knew what I had to do. The way you move.
I am at the entrance of the tasting room and it's around 11:15 and I can't see anyone. So I think I am the only one here for the tour today. It might be due to Monday or something like this, but it's still time. So let's wait here. The batch will start here only. So just waiting for the batch to start.
The way you're moving, the way you shine, everybody's watching you. I want.
Here is the bottle shop where you can shop some good wines for your family and friends. So
Make you mine. The way you're looking, the way you smile, it's like you put a spell on me. You're always on my mind, on my mind.
and here at Sula Vineyards you will find the gift shop also where you can take few of souvenirs for your family and friends. So let's check out the gift shop also.
I've been looking out.
From this place Winery 2 starts, and this is the first place where all the grapes are brought, washed, and skin is separated and seed is separated. So this area is fermentation tanks जिनकी कैपेसिटी बहुत ही ज़्यादा है एंड यहाँ पर ग्रेप्स को फर्मेंट किया जाता है सो दैट दे कैन बी कन्वर्टेड टू द वाइन्स. दिस इज़ बैरल रूम और ये आपको ओक वुड बैरल ही दिखेंगे विच आर स्पेशली इम्पोर्टेड फ्रॉम फ्रांस. और अभी मेरे आसपास 300 बैरल्स है और एवरी बैरल हैज़ 300 बॉटल्स इन इट. तो आप इमेजिन करो कितनी सारी वाइन्स है एंड दिस रूम टेम्परेचर इज़ रियली रियली लो. तो हम यहाँ पर बहुत देर तक नहीं रह सकते. सो लेट्स गो टू टेस्टिंग रूम. This is the tasting room and here we will be trying 6 type of wines. If you want you can say no to tasting but you can smell it and swirl it. So I just got complete with my tour. I know you might haven't find the video of the tour, only a glimpse in photography because videography is strictly prohibited here. So they just allowed us with the photography, but the facts I'm telling you through the voiceover are amazing. It is like India's biggest winery here, which is they make 40 lakh liter of winery here. Imagine how much is the like production level here. So that's really amazing to see how the grapes are separated and then fermented. I would definitely recommend you to visit here once. So let me reveal, I didn't taste wine because नहीं मन किया वाइन पीने का. कुछ भी हो but मन से आवाज़ नहीं आई कि I should give a try to wine. But definitely if you're a person who loves to try something new और जिसको वाइन्स वगैरह बहुत इंटरेस्ट देती है then definitely this place is for you. I would highly say कि give a try. If you're visiting to Maharashtra, just give a try to this beautiful place. आप पक्का निराश होके नहीं जाएंगे. I can say about this. Breakfast was amazing. Stay was very comfortable here at Sula Vineyard, so it's worth the experience. Also the view and nature is really really amazing here and you get to learn something new. So definitely I'm going to miss this place. If I have an option to extend it for one more day, I would have definitely extended, but I can't. I have to go, but definitely looking forward to come back because when we had word with people here, they said this place looks more beautiful in monsoon time. So definitely I will try to come in August. It might be for 2-3 days, but looking forward to stay here again and definitely going to miss this place. So it's time to say goodbye to this place. So let's do the packing and let's check out from here.
A few moments later.
So I have checked out and it's time to say goodbye to this property. See, looking forward to come back and living the Sula life. So if you like the vlog, don't forget to hit on like button, do share and subscribe to my channel. Really want all your support and love. And this is for today's vlog. See you in the next vlog. Till then, keep yourself healthy and safe. If you have any questions regarding Sula Vineyard, do let me know in the comment section. I would be really happy to help you out. See you in the next vlog. Bye bye.